Hey, welcome back to Tips and Tricks about Power Relay Technology. I'm Alex, the CTO at Nimbus, and today I want to talk to you about the trade-offs between lasers and LEDs. So for our dev kit, we have an ordinary LED spotlight that has some custom lenses to project light onto our receiver. And it's good for up to about 15 feet, but lasers can go hundreds of meters, even kilometers. So that's one of the advantages they have. However, the cost difference is about a few dollars per watt on LEDs and $10 to $20 per watt for lasers. So a significant cost advantage goes to the LEDs, even though distance goes to lasers. And then there's power. They both can produce plenty of power and they can get a lot of light onto the target area. But then comes the last trade-off, which is safety. LED spotlights are very common. You find them shining on people on stages at concert venues, whereas lasers tend to be something that needs to be a little more regulated and a little more safety conscious, where you need protective eyewear if you're using extremely bright, powerful lasers. So that's why we chose LEDs to launch with, but in the future, for aerospace or industrial applications, we'll be considering lasers for those longer range needs.